Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage app permissions on iPad Air 13 2024. To manage app permissions, go to Settings, then go to the app of which you want to manage the permissions. Here you have different apps. I'm gonna go to Lightroom, and here are all of the permissions to Lightroom. You can change, for example, the location. I'm gonna set it to never, so Lightroom won't access my location. You can go to Photos and allow none, limited access or full access. When you choose limited access, then you can choose which photos you want to allow the app to access. I'm gonna allow these 6 photos, then tap on Done. And now only these 6 photos are allowed for Lightroom to access. You can disable or enable camera. You can go to Siri and adjust Siri settings. You can also go to notifications and enable or disable notifications and choose which type of alerts are allowed. You can enable or disable sounds and badges. And you can also go to background app refresh and disable or enable it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.